Hey guys, welcome back to Try This DIY. My name is Alan. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to set up the Sun Ninja Nano, or the two-person tent. My wife and I are going to be sitting under the larger tent, so we'd like the kids to be able to hang out and have fun under this smaller tent. So let's go ahead and dive in. So Sun Ninja sent me this tent to try out and give my opinion on it, so let's do this. Well, first of all, it comes in this nice compact bag, and it has everything you will need in it. It even has some stakes to use in the grass. So first, you will open up the canopy. The way I found that is best is to start with a corner, dig a hole where the sandbags go, and this will give you more strength and stability. One thing that does make this a little easier is a shovel, but you can also use whatever you have. So then I'll go to the opposite side sandbag, pull it as tight as I can, dig its hole, and go ahead and fill it up. Drake wanted to let me know he saw a jellyfish. Then you can go ahead and do the other two sandbags as well. Once you've put all the sandbags in their holes and made sure everything is tight, you can go ahead and get your poles out, and all they do is just snap into place. Then you can put the poles on the canopy. I usually put the poles right on the seam or right past the seam, which has worked really well for me. Then you can lock it in with the provided bungee cords. If you'd like, you can leave just the two poles, or you can add the back two poles to make it a tent as well. So once the tent is fully set up, it's just over 2 feet tall. I think this is definitely something that adults can lay under, and then kids can even play under. You can also use it for your dog at the beach or sporting events and use the grass hooks. Well, my kids enjoyed having their own tent to play under, and I think it's a good beach tent if you're looking for a less expensive option and plan on laying down or using it for your pets or your kids. It's also only 2.5 pounds and is very compact and super easy to carry. You can check out more of our beach tent reviews here, but thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.